Topics to be discussed: universal law of gravitation. Why this law is called universal law of gravitation? Why not law of gravitation? Importance of universal law of gravitation and numerical based on universal law of gravitation. In this slide, I am going to explain universal law of gravitation. As you can see in the given figure, we have considered two masses m1 and m2. They both are separated by a distance r from their center. Now, as we know from gravitation force that if objects having mass, then they will exert force on each other. Force exerted by mass m1 on m2 is given by f1, and force exerted by m2 on m1 is given by f2. So according to universal law of gravitation, it states that force between two mass object is directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. As you can see, the first point is it is directly proportional to product of their masses. Therefore, F is directly proportional to m1 into m2. Why m1 into m2? Because the masses of these two objects are m1 and m2. Second, it is inversely proportional to square of distance between them. That is, F is inversely proportional to 1 by r square. That is, F is inversely proportional to r square, and F is directly proportional to 1 by r square. Now you combine equation 1 and equation 2, you will get F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. To remove this directly proportional, we will introduce a constant known as gravitational constant. This is the statement of universal law of gravitation, in which force comes out to be F is equal to g m1 m2 by r square. Why law of gravitation is called universal law? Why universal law? Because we know law of gravitation is applicable to all bodies. That is, it is applicable to terrestrial bodies, celestial bodies, and a body of any shape and size but having mass. What are terrestrial bodies which are present on Earth, like pen, table, scooter, laptop, all the objects having mass? What are celestial bodies? Objects outside this Earth, like sun, galaxies, okay, Mars, all other planets. Therefore, this law is applicable to all the objects having mass, whether they are inside Earth or outside Earth. That is, they are applicable to all mass objects in this universe, whether they are on Earth or outside this Earth. Therefore, the only condition is that they must have mass, because gravitation force is applicable only if object is having mass. In this slide, I am going to explain importance of universal law of gravitation. First point is the motion of moon around Earth. As we all know that mass of Earth is greater than mass of moon, so the gravitational pull of Earth is more as compared to the gravitational pull of moon. Therefore, Earth attracts moon towards itself, and because of this, moon start revolving around Earth. The second point is the force that binds us to the Earth. If there is no gravitational force, we are not able to walk. Third point is the tides due to moon and the sun. I will explain this in this point in next PPT. Fourth one is the motion of planet around sun. As the mass of sun is greater than all the planets present in our galaxy, therefore the gravitational pull of sun is more as compared to other planets. Hence, sun attracts all other planets towards itself, because of which all planets start revolving around sun. Next one, the gravitational force is also responsible for rainfall and snow in downward direction, as because the particles having mass, rainfall and snow, they all are having mass and attracted in downward direction. The flow of water in river is also due to the gravitational force of the Earth. Tides due to moon and sun. As we can see, both Sun and Moon are in line of Earth. Therefore, combined gravitational pull of Sun and Moon on Earth exert a force on water in coastal areas. That is, combined gravitational pull of Sun and Moon exert force on water in coastal areas, because of which water levels start rising and then falling, constitute tides. The gravitational force exerted by Earth on Moon. Therefore, consider Earth and Moon having mass m1 and m2 separated by a distance r from the center. As mass of Earth is greater than mass of Moon, therefore gravitational pull of Earth is greater than gravitational pull of Moon. Hence, Earth attracts Moon towards itself because of gravitational pull of Earth. Moon start revolving around Earth. It is found that force between two mass objects is directly proportional to product of their mass. That is, force is directly proportional to m1 into m2 and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. As we know, distance between them is r. Therefore, F is inversely proportional to r square. If we combine equation 1 and equation 2, we get F is directly proportional to m1 m2 by r square. Hence, to remove directly proportional, we will introduce capital G, known as gravitational constant, and the value of gravitational constant is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11. Hence, the magnitude of force exerted by Earth on Moon is given by F is equal to G m1 m2 by r square. The gravitational force exerted by Earth on Moon. Therefore, consider Earth and Moon